The new BMW R 1300 GS 2024, one of the most anticipated bikes of recent years, was supposed to be presented on September 28. Fortunately, the first official photos of the new R 1300 GS have been leaked online. It is probably a computer error that made some images from the press kit known. Here are the first official images of the new BMW R 1300 GS 2024. The motorbike is completely renewed in terms of design, engine, and gets more newest features. So keep watching. Some photos from the press kit of the R 1300 GS mysteriously ended up online, and from there they bounced around all the main motorcycling information sites. You see the bike in its ideal terrain, that is, the desert, and you can admire it in many of its new details. We already know that the GS has changed profoundly, while maintaining continuity with the past, and should have much more streamlined in modern lines. It will retain the long front beak but will have a much more slender rear, central LED headlight and direction indicators inserted into the handguards. The presence of front and rear radar suggests the use of advanced safety systems such as adaptive cruise control and the device that warns the driver of the presence of vehicles in the blind spot of the rearview mirror. It is still a GS, but it will more or less retain the spirit of the past, because the more slender appearance suggests slightly different driving characteristics, perhaps greater agility. Moreover, the chassis is all new even if it maintains a trellis structure like the previous one, while the front telelever and rear paralever suspensions should remain, which are a bit of a flag, but we don't know how much they have been modified. From the homologation data it emerges that the wheelbase has increased from 1,514 to 1,518 mm and is therefore 4 mm longer than the GS 1250. Not only that, but the engine is also new. The indispensable opposed cylinder architecture remains, but the displacement has been increased by increasing the bore without intervening on the stroke, and the lubrication has changed from wet sump to dry sump. It is another engine, and from the Swiss homologation data it emerges that it will be even more powerful, which deliver 145.5 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. And torque has also increased slightly, reaching 149 Newton at 6,500 RPM. Someone also enjoyed speculating on the price, starting from the one that appeared in the BMW Motorrad USA online financing calculator. It will start at $19,590 US. That's all.